How to check Google Form response on a phone. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your web browser. Now simply tap on the search bar. Now type Google Forms. Now simply tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Google Forms sign in. Now wait for some time. Now tap on the three dots and click on desktop site. Now simply tap on Google Forms. Now select your account. Tap on OK. Now simply switch to the response tab. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.